6x 6 ways spicy noodle edition. We're gonna go from least spiciest to spiciest. 비빔면, egg, BB egg. 8.5 out of 10. Next, kimchi rosé, egg, kimro egg. 7.5 out of 10. Next, spicy stir fry, egg, streg. Ooh, I'm not gonna kick to it. Starting to get spicier. 8 out of 10. Next, cheese bulldog, egg, streg. Woo! Oh, it's getting spicier. 7 out of 10. We're stepping it up because this is next. Carbonara bulldog, egg, carbonara egg. It's really good, but it's really spicy. 9.5 out of 10. Next, rosé bulldog, egg, rose egg. Oh! It's really good though. This one gets a 9 out of 10.